So guys, today I am going to discuss about nursing courses, career and admission. Nursing is an interpersonal, interactional or partnering process between the nurse and the client with the objective of promoting wellness, preventing illness and giving the client the tools to be able to function at an optimal level of wellness. Let's check some definitions. It will be easy for us. According to Florence Nightingale definition, the act of utilizing the environment of the patient to assist him in his recovery. It is known as nursing. According to American Nursing Association, we can see nursing is the protection, promotion and optimization of health and abilities, prevention of the illness and injury, alleviation of suffering through the diagnosis and treatment of human response, and advocacy in the care of individuals, families, community and populations. Nurse is a person trained to care for the sick or infirm, especially in the hospital. Here you can see the details. Mainly, there are 3 types of nursing courses in India: degree nursing courses, diploma nursing courses and certificate nursing programs. Degree courses in nursing are BSc Nursing and Post Basic BSc Nursing. Diploma courses in nursing are ANM, GNM, Advanced Diploma in Ophthalmic Care Management, Diploma in Home Nursing, Diploma in Emergency and Trauma Care Technician, Diploma in Nursing Administration, Diploma in Neuro Nursing. Certificate program nursing courses are Certificate in Home Nursing, Certificate in Maternal and Child Health Care, Certificate in Care Waste Management, Certificate in Primary Nursing Management. Let's talk about nursing career. Nursing is an extremely challenging profession. There is lots of learning, the exams are challenging, schedule are tricky, assignments constantly pile one on top of the other. All this have the potential of making your student life really hard. A career in nursing is a suitable option for an individual who has good organization and communication skills and enjoys caring for people. To practice as a nurse, there are various education and certification requirements that must be met. The best part of this field is that nurses never remain unemployed. They easily get the job in healthcare organizations and hospitals. So, don't worry about your job. There is nothing to take tension. Now I want to talk about nursing admission 2021. For BSc Nursing, students should pass out 10+2 with science and their entrance exam held between April to June. And for the ANM and GNM course, students should pass with any stream like science, arts and commerce, and their entrance exam conducted by WBJEEB. But if you want to take nursing admission without giving entrance exam, so you can contact with me. In Bangalore and Hyderabad, there is no entrance exam for nursing admission. So if you guys want to take admission in top colleges in Bangalore and Hyderabad, so you can contact with me.